Article 19 provides for 6 fundamental rights in nature of freedoms. These are guaranteed by Indian citizens with reasonable restrictions. Let's discuss the freedom and restrictions imposed. 19 Article 19(1)(a) speech and this freedom is speech and expression, freedom of press and media, people's right to information. Restrictions imposed 19 to 8 grounds: integrity and sovereignty of India, security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency and morality, contempt of court, defamation, incitement to an offence. A freedom as per under Article 19(1)(b). Freedom to assemble peacefully. Restrictions imposed 19(3). 3 grounds. Assembly must be peaceful. Assembly must be unarmed. Restrictions under Article 19(3). Sovereignty and integrity of India, public order. 19(1)(c). Form freedom to associations. 19(4). 3 grounds. The restrictions imposed. That includes sovereignty and integrity of India, public order and morality. The freedom as mentioned under 19(1)(d) is freedom of movement. The restrictions imposed as under Article 19(5). There are 2 grounds: interest of general public and protection of interest of any scheduled tribe. Then freedom as under Article 19(1)(e). Freedom of residence. The restrictions imposed is 19(5). Under Article 19(5), there are 2 grounds: interest of general public and protection of interest of scheduled tribe. Then freedom as under Article 19(1)(f). Freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. The restrictions imposed are Article 19(6). By the state making any law relating to protecting public interests, establishing professional or technical qualifications for a profession or occupation, trade or business. These are the restrictions as under Article 19(6) for the freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. Then establishing, enabling state to conduct any trade or business excluding citizens wholly or partially. These 6 rights are protected again. Once again, I repeat the freedom of profession. Article 19(1)(f), freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. The restrictions imposed are as under 19(6). That includes by the state making any law relating to protecting public interest. Then establishing professional or technical qualifications for a profession or occupation, trade or business. Then enabling state to conduct any trade or business excluding citizens wholly or partially. These 6 rights are protected against only state action and not private individuals. Freedom of speech and expression includes freedom of press, right to telecast, freedom of silence, right against boot called by a political party, right to demonstration or picketing but not right to strike. With reference to freedom of association, the Supreme Court held that the trade unions have no guaranteed right to effective bargaining or right to strike or right to declare a lockout. The freedom of movement has 2 dimensions, that is internal, right to move inside the country, and external, right to move out of the country and right to come back to the country. Article 19 protects only the first dimension. The second dimension is dealt by Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. With reference to freedom of profession, no objection can be made when state carries on a trade, business, industry or service either as a monopoly to the exclusion of citizens or in competition with any citizen.